So hey guys, this is the bike that I'm talking about here, that I'm having trouble with the what do you call it? The front brake light switch. Just cover this. You know, I never thought that a bike this light could ever really melt the the blacktop here, but the other day it did. So I gotta get a coaster for it. If you see right there, let me get my shadow at it, but it's pretty intense. I was really surprised when that happened. It's just that it's such a light bike. So I guess I was wrong, but whatever. These things happen. Anyway, it's gonna be tough to see when it's so bright out here exactly that the switch is not working. So let me turn it on real quick. And then see if I can do it like this. Yeah, you can barely see it in there. But that's the back brake. And then the front brake is doing nothing. Doing it right now. It's a bit tough to see. Maybe from this angle here, you can see inside right there. I don't know, it's kind of tough to see it. Okay, now with the anyway, trust me, it's not working. So we'll take a look inside. This is the piece, the housing piece I took off before that I think it messed up, and thanks to Squirrel Man or on the VTR 250.org, that's where I think my problem is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and see if that's what it is. Put this camera down someplace steady. Okay. I hope I have the right housing. I mean, honestly, he could have said something different on the form, and I took it the entirely wrong way. Okay, there's another one on the back here that I'm going to try and shimmy into. That's a tough one to get into. Off for the meantime. I did look up the replacement switches online, and so at least I think I know what it'll look like when I open this up, if it's truly in here. Okay, that's one screw. Do the other now. Crap, it just dropped. Damn it. That metal is hot. So it's easier to continue to do it with a screwdriver. Oh, don't lose that screw. Okay, so I don't see the switch inside here, the one that at least I saw online. I see the starter switch, and this is what I'm looking at here. Yeah, I don't see the exact switch. Is it inside of here someplace maybe? Or is that it down there? That's the switch, I bet. That looks like it. I bet that's it right there. Okay, so that's going into here and then going back down. Can't seem to find it. So maybe if I unscrew this piece here, it'll have everything. Alright, let's turn it back on and see if... Oh! Now it's working. I can see that. So I must have... Maybe I knocked something just now? It's a little finicky. Because there's a cloud, it'll be easier to see. Alright, so that's the front brake. That's the back brake. Alright, well, let's go ahead and reattach the housing here. And hopefully it'll keep going. I mean, that's really finicky. If I just touched it just a little bit and it fixed it. Maybe it was just out a little bit. The problem is I don't want it to go off on me when I'm riding. It's still going. We'll go a little bit more. This wire connector here. So, I mean, I'm open to suggestions of what you guys think also, like if I should just get the switch replaced completely, if it's going to be a hazard. Okay, still going. Alright, cool. So let me reattach that then. And hopefully it'll stay on now when I'm reattaching it. Still going. Alright. Turn this off for a second. Okay. It really doesn't want to come down there, does it? Come on. There we go. Maybe I'm twisting it the wrong way. Dumbass. There we go. Now it's definitely going. Jeez. Okay, let me do the other one now. Oh, let's check it right before real quick. It's still going off. Cool. Or going on, per se. Alright, is it still? Okay, still going. Okay, it's tightened up and it's still going. Works. All right, cool. So that was really it. Thanks, Squirrel. My next thing is because for the future here, I want to, you know, this VTR's only got one light on it, and I feel that if it has an extra set of lights, something like these here. Let's see here. These are just cheap. I found them on Amazon. If I can get these attached to it in addition, it'll just help drivers behind me know that I'm stopping. I was thinking, just to get these small bolts here, just throw them right onto here, and then attach them into the main brake cable that goes to this light. So when they go on for both. I was actually kind of hoping that this would stay as the night, you know, just the regular tail light and then brake light, and then these would stay off until the brake light would need to come on. So I need to figure out what wires to wire them in. So if you guys have any advice or help on that, or if I'm making a terribly huge mistake, please let me know. I really appreciate you guys' advice there on the forum. Thanks.